Hello guys, so welcome back. So in this video, like we have already understand what is the difference between functional interface and lambda expression, right? So what I have told you that once we write lambda expression to invoke its functionality, then functional interface is required, right? So let's understand without lambda expression how we are writing uh, the class, right, with the interface. So let's suppose I have an interface that I will give the name not interface will start with the interface, right? Interface, and I'll give the name A. Okay, so this is my interface, right? So currently we don't have any abstract methods in this, right? So what I will do, I'll write a simple abstract method. So any method that you're writing in the you can say in the interface is abstract method. If you'll try to add the uh, public void m1 and then the curly braces means empty body, it will give you the error as you can see here, right? So what I will do, I will just close here. Now it's working fine, right? But if you write the curly braces means this is not a abstract method, it's a normal method, right? Like this, if you write like this, it's normal method, right? And so that I will remove the body. Okay, so whenever a class, let's suppose class is solution, so a class implements what? The interface, right? Means we have to implement the override the methods, you can say, right? So m1 is a method. In that case, let's suppose I will write hello student, right? Like this I will write, and then here I will provide the message, right? Whatever the message we required, that I will put here. Let's suppose I have a current class name, right? So I will create the object name equal to, I'll give the name object and then new default constructor. So obj can call m1 now, right? So if I'll write this, if I'll try to print this, I can print it and it will give you the output hello student, right? As you can see. But this is not our expectation, right? Means I have written this code without lambda expression, right? I have written this code without lambda expression, but in place of that, right, if I don't want to override here, right, and I want to directly write the compact code, so how will I write that, right? To do that, we know that the object we do not require these things, right? But I can directly write here like our interface name is A, then I can provide the interface name equal to, and we know that this method is nothing but a interface containing abstract method, and this is abstract method. So if a interface contains only one abstract method, that is called SAM, right? So this is our SAM, means single abstract method. In this case, this become फंक्शन इंटरफेस, राइट? समझ में आ रहा है ना आप लोग को? मतलब कि अगर किसी इंटरफेस के पास एक मेथड है, अब वो जो मेथड है एब्स्ट्रैक्ट मेथड, वो सिंगल है, राइट? तो सिंगल एब्स्ट्रैक्ट मेथड हो जाएगा. इन दैट केस ये क्या हो जाएगा? फंक्शन इंटरफेस. एंड फॉर द फंक्शन इंटरफेस वी कैन राइट फंक्शन इंटरफेस और वी कैन लीव इट. आइदर यू राइट इट और आइदर यू रिमूव इट. सो लाइन नंबर 3 जो है ऑप्शनल है, वो नेसेसरी नहीं है लिखने के लिए. इन दैट केस क्या होगा? हम यहाँ पे ऐसे लिख करके और एरो फंक्शन डिफाइन कर देंगे और हम सिस्टम आउट प्रिंटलन यहाँ पे सिंगल लाइन का कोड लिख के मैं यहाँ दे सकता हूँ हेलो स्टूडेंट ऑल. ओके, so if I'll print this, so no, now we have to also call it, right? So a dot m1 we will call, right? So 2 time we will like 1 time we will call like a simple without the lambda expression, and here with the lambda expression. If I run this, it should give the output, right? So first it will give the hello student, then it will give you hello student all, right? Means function interface we can write with and without lambda expression, right? But no, if we want to write lambda expression, right, there should be a function interface. You got my point? मतलब विदाउट लैम्डा एक्सप्रेशन हम एक नॉर्मल मेथड की तरह ट्रीट करेंगे, उसे राइट करेंगे, राइट? बट जब लैम्डा एक्सप्रेशन के साथ लिखना है तो वो एक फंक्शन इंटरफेस होना चाहिए, ओके? मीन्स सिंगल एब्स्ट्रैक्ट मेथड होना चाहिए, जो कि लाइन नंबर 5 पे आप देख सकते हैं, राइट? सो एट द लाइन नंबर 5 दिस इज कॉल्ड सिंगल एब्स्ट्रैक्ट मेथड. You got my point? Single abstract method, then it is called function interface. So I was saying जो लाइन नंबर 3 है उसको रख सकते हो या हटा सकते हो, बोथ केसेस में कोई प्रॉब्लम नहीं आएगा, आप देख सकते हो, राइट? बिकॉज हमें राइट करके डिफाइन करने का मतलब नहीं है. हमारा कंपाइलर क्या है? इट विल अंडरस्टैंड, इट इज़ इंटेलिजेंट. सो आवर कंपाइलर इज इंटेलिजेंट, राइट? JAVAC is intelligent, right? Because it is called just in time, so it is faster, and so it can easily understand that this is the functional interface, right? Guys, I hope you understand this video, and so if you have any more doubts you can ping me in the comment box. I can provide you much more videos on this. और अगर आपको hands on classes करने हैं जिसमें you can get a lot of examples, lot of practices, and you become expert in Java programming, okay? So for that आपको क्या करना है? कांटेक्ट करना है और क्लासेस के लिए 1-to-1 क्लासेस के लिए बात कर सकते हैं, ओके? चलो, तो आई विल सी यू इन द नेक्स्ट वीडियो. थैंक यू गाइस, थैंक यू फॉर वॉचिंग दिस वीडियो.